Hello dear listeners, I am Dr. Vishwajit Singh Yadav, Assistant Professor of Chemistry from SGS ITS Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Now I am going to deliver lecture on general introduction of esters. That is what esters are, how they can be synthesized, what are their properties, means their physical properties. Now start with esters. So the question is what esters is. Actually esters are made up of carboxyl group. When hydrogen of a carboxyl group is replaced by an alkyl group, then the relative ester is formed, in which one part is considered as alcohol derivative. That is, if we mention an example of methanol, then what actually is in methanol? CH3OH. When it ionized, it converted into CH3O-. This CH3O- is considered as alcohol part in esters. In the slides, most basic example of ester is shown with their 3D structure. The 3D structure of ester clearly provides that because of tetrahedral geometry of carbon, this haphazard structure of ester is obtained. Now, the main question is how esters are synthesized. So, ester, as we previously mentioned, these are the parents of esters are carboxyl group. So, obviously, these can be synthesized by acids, mainly carboxylic acids, that is organic acids. So what happened in carboxylic acid? The most common example is acetic acid. Acetic acid is reduced, so we form an ester. In this process, water molecule is drained out as a byproduct. The main thing in any organic compound, how they are named, what are the nomenclature strategies, what are the IUPAC nomenclature strategies for an organic compound. So, as I have mentioned previously, for naming ester, we have to separate an ester into two parts. One is alcohol group and another one is carboxyl end. That is, we have to separate into two parts. One is alcohol group and another one is carboxyl group. So, carboxyl group is considered as alkyl of that particular carbon chain, and the carboxyl part will be added and suffix of 8, ATE, that is E of a alkane is replaced by ATE, that is 8. So here is the most common example in which we have shown the example of methyl ethanonate, where alcohol group is CH3O. So it is methyl, as we have mentioned, we have to name that alcohol only alkyl. So here is methanol part of this particular alcohol, so it will be named like methyl, and the other part is carbon chain having two carbons, that is ethane. So E is replaced by O8, OATE. So it is named methanoate. This is the basic example of an ester which we have mentioned in the slide. What are the ester products in nature where ester is present? So these are the mostly as aspirin, which is present in most of the thing in nature, and other one is oil of wintergreen, which is ester of salicylic acid in methanol, and there are some other example of this ester product. One more thing, smell of any organic molecule, any natural organic substance like flowers, fruits, these are mainly because of ester byproduct present in fruit or flowers. In next slide, we have present hydrolysis of ester. What happened when ester came into contact of water? So as we have previously mentioned, ester can be synthesized by reacting to carboxylic acid or alcohols. So when these are hydrolyzed, they converted into an acid, that is carboxylic acid, and an alcohol. we have mentioned an example in which it is clearly shown when an ester is hydrolyzed, then it is converted into an acid, that is carboxylic acid, and other one is an alcohol. And what happens when these ester get into contact with bases? So when these esters are reacted with bases, they form salts of particular base. So we have mentioned an ester reacting with an base and they are forming a salt, and simultaneously we are getting an alcohol. So thank you friends.